Hello, class. My name is Michael Hansen. I will be your instructor for this upcoming semester. I'm very excited to be able to have the opportunity to educate you and instruct you during your mathematical journey. Again, hopefully that you allow me to take the pressure and stress off of you learning math by just contacting me. So please feel free to contact me and don't hesitate. This is what I'm here to do. I'm here to help you to make everything a lot smoother for you when it comes to learning math. Now, the next thing I'm going to do here is walk you through the online portion as far as what you need to do as soon as you start the looking at Moodle and starting the course. I want to remind you that this course is fully online. You do not have to come to campus to take any tests. You don't have to turn in any assignments. You don't have to come do quizzes. None of that stuff. Everything can be done at your house. So the first thing you need to do is just type in the website www.nashcce.edu. You click on Student Portal. Now for email, Moodle, and WebAdvisor, your username and your password is going to be exactly the same, so you don't have to worry about making different ones. If you forgot your password, you click on password reset, and then it'll give you a new one or show you the steps on how to get your password. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Moodle. So this is what your Moodle page is going to look like for when you get started with your course, and this is for your online courses. The first thing you need to do is type in your first initial, your middle initial, and your last name and the last three digits of your ID number. Use the same password like I just said before that was set in your password portal. So here's my username, here's my password. I'm going to go ahead and log in. You click on my courses, and you will not have these many courses. This is just all my classes that I've been teaching from last fall and last spring, whatever the case may be with you. So I'm just going to choose one just to kind of show you how I lay out my Moodle pages. So no matter if you're doing math 171, 122, 121, no matter what math you're taking online for me, the setup is pretty much going to be somewhat similar. So I'm just going to walk you through one of my courses, Math 121. Once you log into Moodle, this is very important. This is the first thing you need to do is click on this EVA activity. And this one here is just my welcome video that I'm making now. Here is going to be my the enrollment verification activity. This has to be done before you start anything as far as in the course. All these stuff here, assignments here, and I know the dates are past. This is just a previous, so pay no mind to the dates. It's just a previous course, but all these dates is going to be hidden, and you will not have access to any of this information until this is completed. So click on this link, complete it. This will let me know that you are now officially enrolled in my class. And so until this is done, you're not enrolled in my class. The next thing you need to do is just complete this orientation online and save your certificate so you can upload it here by clicking on this link. Now, if you already done this orientation, you do not have to do it again. This is just a one-time thing for this year, this calendar year. So just make sure you click on it, upload it, and then you'll be done with these two activities here. So please get these two done before you start anything with it. So once those two things are done, just click on this little arrow here, and just for this Dropbox, this introduction and resources to Math 121. Again, this is for all my online math courses, not just 121, 171, everything. The first thing you need to do is click on what you need to know about Moodle, and then I'll walk you through the next steps. Again, if you have any questions, please contact me at any time. Thank you.